In the bustling city of Mumbai, a construction project was underway that promised to change the skyline, a towering residential complex named Sunrise Heights. The project's ambitious design and strategic location made it a potential landmark, but it faced two significant challenges: a tight budget and an even tighter timeline. The project's lead was Arjun, a seasoned civil engineer known for his innovative solutions and unwavering determination. Arjun had a team of skilled workers and a vision, but the constraints seemed insurmountable. With the budget cuts and the looming deadline, many doubted the project's success. One day, Arjun called for a meeting with his core team, which included Meera, the project manager, Ravi, the head architect, and Lakshmi, the procurement officer. He began by acknowledging the challenges but emphasized the need for a qualitative approach over a quantitative one. Our budget and timeline are fixed, Arjun said, but our attitude and methods are flexible. Let's focus on quality in everything we do. It's not just about spending less but about making smarter choices. Meera, inspired by Arjun's words, proposed a detailed review of the project plan. Let's break down each phase and identify areas where we can innovate without compromising on quality, she suggested. The team agreed, and they started by evaluating the construction materials. Lakshmi, who had excellent relationships with local suppliers, negotiated better deals for high-quality materials by promising bulk purchases and future collaborations. She also sourced eco-friendly and cost-effective alternatives, which not only fit the budget but also earned the project government incentives for sustainability. Ravi, the architect, took on the challenge of redesigning certain aspects of the building to simplify construction without sacrificing aesthetics or structural integrity. He incorporated modular construction techniques, which allowed for faster assembly and reduced labor costs. On the ground, Arjun emphasized the importance of a positive attitude and teamwork. He held regular motivational sessions and skill workshops for the laborers. He also introduced a system where workers could suggest improvements, fostering a sense of ownership and pride in their work. As the days passed, the project progressed steadily. The team's commitment to quality and innovation paid off. They discovered that by maintaining high standards and focusing on efficient processes, they could meet their deadlines without exceeding the budget. One of the key breakthroughs came when Arjun decided to implement advanced project management software to track progress in real time. This allowed them to quickly identify and address any issues, preventing costly delays. Meera used this tool to optimize resource allocation, ensuring that no time or material was wasted. The project's success didn't go unnoticed. Local media picked up the story of how Sunrise Heights was being built on time and within budget, thanks to the qualitative approach of its dedicated team. This positive publicity attracted potential buyers and investors, further boosting the project's financial standing. As the final touches were being added to Sunrise Heights, Arjun gathered his team once more. We've proven that with the right attitude, challenges can be transformed into opportunities, he said proudly. Our qualitative approach didn't just build a structure, it built a symbol of what can be achieved with determination and innovation. The grand opening of Sunrise Heights was a celebrated event. The towering complex stood as a testament to what could be accomplished when a team embraced quality, creativity, and collaboration. It became a model for future projects, inspiring others in the industry to adopt similar approaches. In the end, Sunrise Heights was more than just a building. It was a beacon of hope and a reminder that even in the face of tight budgets and deadlines, a qualitative attitude could pave the way to success.